Hi, beautiful lovers. Guys, today we are making delicious concussion stew, guys. Join me as we make this stew together, guys. As e dey hot, now what material they run am. So I added oil into the pot. So I'm using this oil to fry the fish, guys. So I go in with some onions. I added fish inside, as you can see on this video. Okay guys, I'm done frying the fish, so let's go in with some onions. This is the onions I blended with my blender. I just cut it with blender, guys. I pour it inside and I stir it together, as you can see. So cover it and give it a little time to cook. Okay guys, let's check our stew. As you can see, the onions is already dry. You can see that it's turned brown. So anytime you want to cook this type of stew, you have to fry the onions to turn brown. I added tomatoes. This is tomatoes. I also use my blender to cut it. And I added bell pepper. That is bell pepper. I added it inside. So the bell pepper and fresh pepper go in at the same time, guys. As it is hot, it's time to go in with our Maggi cube, guys. I use one on Maggi here. I break it inside. I also added curry, as you can see, and also added salt, as you can see here, guys. So after adding it, you have to stir it together, guys. Mix it very well so that everything will marry themselves very well, and cover it to cook. So let's check our stew. As you can see, our stew is cooking very well. This stew is very yummy. Go and try it out and come and thank me later. So I go in with a fish. This is melusa fish and a scorpion fish. So I added it. So after adding it, you give it a stir. Make sure you turn it very well. After turning it, cover it to cook for some minutes, guys. Here is the crayfish I want to make use of, guys. So I blended it. So let's add the crayfish now. So I add the crayfish. If you tell this stew, guys, we bat your tongue. This stew is too yummy. So turn it after adding the crayfish. You turn it together, guys. As you can see me doing here. So test it. After testing it, I have to cover it to cook back. Wow, this stew is yummy. Look at wife material in the kitchen. Who they run now? Only wife material they run now. If you don't sabi cook, go and learn how to cook. Come here, come and learn how to cook. The original and organic food. Come my page and come and learn how to cook it. This winter, enter. We enter. The stew is almost ready. As you can see here, the stew is ready. I bet feel the stew. Zoom my well. Feel my well. Stew is ready, guys. So I put it down. Here is the rice we want to eat later, guys.